video, I'm going to show you how to install local VirtualBox in Windows 11. So that first you want to know our virtualization enabled in our machine. For check it, you want to go Task Manager, then CPU, then check virtualization is enabled. Now I open my favorite browser and go to Google and type here VirtualBox. It's open Oracle VM VirtualBox. Then download. Then Windows host. It's download a few minutes. Depend on your net speed. After successful download, we need to download extension package. Now we go to the download location and install Oracle VirtualBox. Now we install Oracle VirtualBox. It's show a error. Need to install Microsoft Visual Basic so that you can close it and again open a browser Mozilla Firefox and download Microsoft Visual Basic. I choose 64-bit for download. Again we want to install VirtualBox. It's a default installation location. You can change it, but not necessary. I change it. Network interface warning. Now install successfully. Then finish. After I finish install Oracle VirtualBox, now we need to enterprise package. Scroll our mouse and then I agree. Our VirtualBox installed successfully. Next video we install some of virtual host. Thanks for watching this video.